I love motorcycling all over the place. I just love it. It's the most fun a man can have. I'm telling you, it is the most fun a man can have. You might have your own opinion on the most fun a man can have, and I'm sure that it includes a woman, but no. Motorcycle beats a woman all the time. Motorcycle won't bitch at you. Motorcycle won't complain.
Motorcycle doesn't take you on shopping sprees.
Yeah, I'll take a motorcycle over a woman anytime.
So I talked about how motorcycles are more fun than women, and they truly are. I'm just out here after my ride sitting on my bike, just thinking. There's a guy across the street. I haven't met him yet. He moved in not long ago. It has a Harley in his garage. He's actually out in his garage too right now with his bike. Pretty cool. That's how it's done. See if I can get across there through these two yucca plants. Let me see if I can get in there. There he is. And there's his Harley Abelson sitting there in the garage too. He's not messing with the bike or sitting with his bike, but the whole point is he's out in the garage with his bike.